अमरीकी मज़ाकरात का स्टीव विटकॉफ ने तस्दीक की है कि अमरीका ने मौजूदा बहरान के खात्मे के लिए 15 निकाती एक्शन प्लान पाकिस्तान के जरिए ईरान को भिजवाया है।
That we have, along with your foreign policy team, presented a 15-point action list that forms the framework for a peace deal. This has been circulated through the Pakistani government, acting as the mediator, and this has resulted in strong and positive messaging and talks, as you just indicated to the press. No stockpiling of any material. I can say this, we will see where things lead, and if we can convince Iran that this is the inflection point with no good alternatives for them, other than more death and destruction. We have strong signs that this is a possibility, and if a deal happens, it will be great for the country of Iran, for the entire region, and the world at large.